Hello everybody, this is Dean Amy and I am going to talk about how to use TopHat for attendance going through Canvas. So before I start, I should tell everyone, I'm going to confess this now. I used sign-in sheets for years and years and years in all of my law school courses, and I was pretty resistant to using TopHat. It turns out that it's so easy that I am now a full convert, and I promise if I can do it, anybody can do it. So here we go. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go into my.pitt.edu. You're going to find Canvas in there, and you're going to click on Canvas. And what'll usually happen is you'll get that Pitt passport, give your login ID and then do your password, and then you got to get a push right from Duo. But once you do all of those things, your dashboard will appear. I've already done it to make it a little faster here. Now I'm going to go to my courses. I like to do it this way, and I'm going to show this to you for my Supreme Court practice class. So here we are. This is a very empty Canvas template, and you'll see that there's no TopHat listed over here. So we're going to have to find it. And we go first to settings. Typically what shows up is course details first. If you've been in Canvas, you might see other things. You're going to go to navigation. So you want to click on the tab that says navigation. And then you're going to scroll down to where you see TopHat, which is currently disabled. It may be anywhere in this list, by the way, but it's currently disabled in Canvas. Typically when you start, you will not see it in the course page. So you hit enable, and now it appears as if you've enabled it. But no, not too quick here, right? Scroll down again and hit the magic button, save. And once you do that, then you will have TopHat appear on the left-hand side of your Canvas page as it does right now. Here it is on mine. So then you are ready to set everything up in TopHat. So you click TopHat, and it says, oh, don't have the course. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to create a course. You're going to get some message that says, we can't find the existing course, right? You're going to have to create the course. So then you're going to be asked for some information. So the federal courts is the class that I am entering. The start date, as all of us know, August 23rd. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm not doing federal courts, I'm doing Supreme Court practice. So let me do Supreme Court practice. Sorry about that. I actually teach that on Tuesday, so I'm going to change that start date to the 24th. Now, it wants the subject. There's not a lot of subject choices, friends, so here's what you get to choose from. Let me scroll down a little bit. I just usually choose the general law. And then you're going to want to put in the course code, which I put in as Law 5510, Section 1010, right? So Law 5510, Section 1010. Okay. And I'm going to try to spell it correctly. All right. Now I'm going to hit Create. Create. Okay, so now I have a Supreme Court practice join code, which is up here, very small, but that is the join code that all of your students will get when they go into TopHat, and they will join the class. And then when you go to take attendance, here's how easy it is. You hit create, and you just take attendance. And what pops up is a code. Our code right now is 1374, so you can announce it in class, you can write it on the board, you can show it on the board, you can do all kinds of things, right? So you give, everybody's going to have the join code, which is for this course is 501754. They're going to join the course, and then every time you take attendance, you're going to give them a code, and then once that's done, which it takes just a couple of seconds to do, finish, right? And what will happen is that in your grade book, you will have an attendance sheet show up on this page, and it'll show you the attendance for all of your students throughout the semester, and it'll calculate how many absences, right, there have been for the number of courses that you've taught, or the number of classes that you've taught for that course. So the other thing is you can also see a list of students, right? So when your students sign up, it'll be right here. So it's pretty easy to do, pretty easy to launch. I just log into Canvas each time. I launch TopHat from here, and then I share the code, and the students are fabulous at doing it on the app, or they can do it through a web browser on their laptop. Really easy, and then anytime you need to check, you can go into TopHat and you can look at that gradebook page and you will see your attendance roster. So I hope that's made it easy. If you need more information or you're looking for more information on this, if you go to law.pitt.edu/IT, you will see on the right-hand side a list of resources. And if you go to electronic attendance and you click on it, it will again go through the TopHat instructions if you'd like to read through them. You can also use Canvas, right, if you prefer Canvas. There's other options, but I like TopHat. I think it's pretty easy, and the students seem to like it as well. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks so much.